Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm glad to see your happy faces. Look, your faces are shining like a sun, bright, and such sparkling eyes I can see. Well done. Yes? What do you want to say? You people are taking care of yourselves. That's great. Okay, let's start our lesson number 3. And today, our new lesson is about a new house. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a house, know about the builder's machines and their uses. Now, as you all know that we all are living in houses, big houses and small houses and huge houses as well. So have you ever think that what is a house and why we need a house? A house is a safe place for us to live. We feel safe in our houses and we do not get any harm by living in our houses or by coming in our houses. And sometimes if we want to get rest, which thing helps us? Our houses. So our houses are a place that keep us safe and that are the places where we keep ourselves safe and sound, and we are going to do rest in our houses. So have you ever think that how these huge houses are built? I hope there is nothing in your mind like a word magic, that a magic can build a house. No, there is a effort behind it. Some people work with some things to make a house. You must have seen a house building in your area. No? Okay, I'll tell you how a house is being built. A house is built with bricks and with cement. And there are some machines which are used in building a house. See this picture? See, this is a picture of a cement mixer. Cement and water is mixed in this machine because they make a paste in it and then it is applied to build a house. This is a picture of a digger. It digs the ground before building a new house. Before starting to build a house, this machine digs in the ground and so the house is being built. Now, there must be a machine which bring those cement and those bricks to the construction place where the house is going to be built. So this machine is called as a tractor, and cement and bricks are carried on it. Look at this picture. You can see some people, and what are they doing? They are doing some work. What work? Huh? Very good. They are making a house. They are building a house. So it means that the people in the picture are builders or workers. They build a house. I hope you have now understood that how the house is built. Let's look at the questions now. You have to learn the following vocabulary words, that is cement, bricks, cement mixer, tractor, digger, workers and builders. After that, you are going to play a game. Yes. Look at your happy faces. Okay. First, listen carefully. There is a link given on the screen, that is www.abcya.com/games/build_a_house. Go to this link and there is a game on this link. Play this game and you are going to build your own house. You can download this game if you have IDM or download manager in your laptops. Remember, don't forget to share your played game screenshot on fsabine06@gmail.com. Hope you will enjoy this game. Don't forget to tell me. Wait for your next lesson. Till then, bye bye.